So we're back down the park. I'm going to do a bit of a crossbar, which is basically kicking the ball and hitting the crossbar. First person to hit the crossbar 3 times wins. Oof. That's one. If it rebounds back, you get another go.
Miss.
Oh, close, mate. Oof. Shot. Okay, rebound, you get another go. Oof. Yes. That's 2. This one for the win.
Nope.
Oh. Go on, Connor. From there. Yes. Well done. 2 all. God, great control. Wish I got that.
Okay, go.
Yeah, mate. Oh, that's 3. High five. Oh, beautiful.
Shot.
Yeah. There's 1.
You got another go.
Oh,
2. You got another go.
1 left.
Terrible.
Another part of any of the games, losing the ball in the bushes. You got it, lads?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
There we are. Right, so you won that there, Connor. You hit the crossbar 3 times first. Well done. But then your brother did actually hit the crossbar 3 times. He got it just after you, so well done you as well. Played, lads.